Wouldn't it be great if you had x-ray vision? When you go to look at a car, you roll up to the used car dealer or even up to the individual's house and you see the car of your dreams, but you can see past the shine and you can see past the paint and past all of the layers to see what's underneath there, you know, the honest car. There's a good chance you may be seeing something like this. And this is a member of our own fleet that's slowly being resurrected, but it's a good example. You would see a rod hole in the top of the fender here. You'd see giant chunks missing, trim holes that needed to be filled. You would see wheel lips that are rotted. You see quarter panels that are just literally missing. A couple of weeks in the body shop, some migrant labor, cheapo interior, you know, kit, paint job, and this thing is beautiful, right? But it's no longer an honest car. You can't see what's underneath it. The old saying is that you can tell the age of a woman by looking at her neck, regardless of how many facelifts or how much makeup she's wearing. The same thing kind of goes true with cars. Here's one of the places you can look to see if what you're dealing with is actually an honest car or not. This is too simple. Up under the dash. You could make this thing, you can give this car the illusion of being brand new. You could detail it from bumper to bumper. You could do whole new interior. This thing looks pristine. But the one place even the most rabid flipper doesn't pay any attention to is up under the dash. A lot of these cars sat around for 20, 30 years. A lot of them were parts cars that are being resurrected and pieced together and then sent out into the wild. But nobody ever bothers to go up underneath the dash and detail that area. You almost can't. It's almost impossible. Everything is all so cluttered and jammed in there. You can really get a feel for what the car looked like before the makeover by looking up underneath the dash. Look for heavy layers of rust. A lot of Bondo dust will settle up there. If the car had extensive bodywork, it'll all be crammed up in there. A lot of these cars sat out in fields for 20, 30, 40 years. They were parts cars that were been resurrected. When the car has that kind of history to it, the only place it'll really show after all of the detailing is done is up under the dash. So that's it. Just a simple tip. I'll see you tomorrow.